Ronaldo in car, intense background music. Ever wondered how a phone mount could actually make you feel unstoppable? Cristiano Ronaldo. Ever wondered how I keep my phone steady while driving at top speed? This is it, my unstoppable MagSafe car mount. With 89 pounds of suction power and 24 ultra-strong magnets, this beast doesn't move. Slams mount on dashboard, snaps phone on. Zero shake, full 360-degree rotation. Perfect for maps, music, or calls. And here's the kicker. It charges your iPhone at 15-watt max speed. Just snap it on and go. No wires, no hassle. 2 ways to mount. Adhesive for your dash or vent mount for convenience. Whatever your drive, it adapts. For my fans only, the price drops from $39.99 to $19.99 today only. But once it's gone, it's gone. So don't wait. Click the link now, level up your drive, and be unstoppable. See you